Hey, buddy. Well, this is Buddy. We just got him last Saturday from the Anderson PAWS. Hey, buddy. And Buddy knows how to climb fences. Yes, he does. So, made a little modification to the existing Tractor Supply fence. There he goes, 12-foot fence. And it's designed to have an open space in here, not sure why. So had a bit of leftover fence and just kind of folded it in half. Used the same wire ties that I was using to, hey buddy. Use the same wire ties that I had before. Actually cut them in half for this. And now this should be at least buddy resistant. Not going to say buddy proof. And I used a full one a couple of times and I realized I used a half. And so I just folded it over, used a 2x4. And hopefully this will keep Buddy safely in his fence. I guess we're going to find out right now, huh? You still can't squeeze through, can you, Buddy? I might have to put a 2x4 there, because he might be able to squeeze through that. I doubt it, but he might be able to, if he figures out how to pull the fence instead of push it. But he's clever. Alrighty, so it's a short video, just introducing Buddy, and showing a little modification that I made. Still working on getting everything into the garage for storage, so not much progress there because this guy has been taking up all of our life lately, huh buddy? Huh buddy? Alright, I'm sure you'll see more of Buddy later, and that's all I got for now. You have a good one.